Tired of boring dinners that take forever to prepare? Our cookbook, Effortless Instant Pot Creations, is here to transform your mealtime routine. Discover quick, delicious recipes that make cooking a breeze, perfect for busy schedules. Effortless Instant Pot Creations offers 25 mouth-watering recipes that are simple and time-saving. Whether you're a beginner or an Instant Pot enthusiast, this cookbook has something for everyone, ensuring delightful meals every time. Imagine having a variety of meals at your fingertips, from hearty stews to delectable desserts. Our cookbook provides easy-to-follow instructions, making it ideal for those new to cooking or looking to expand their culinary repertoire. Each recipe is crafted to maximize flavor while minimizing effort, allowing you to enjoy more time with family and less time in the kitchen. Say goodbye to complicated recipes and hello to effortless cooking with our guide. Visualize vibrant images of ingredients and finished dishes that inspire confidence and creativity. Our cookbook not only simplifies cooking, but also makes it visually appealing, encouraging you to try new and exciting meals. Health-conscious families will appreciate the nutritious, family-friendly recipes that cater to diverse tastes. Our cookbook ensures everyone at the table is satisfied, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen collection. For those browsing Etsy for unique finds, our cookbook stands out as a high-quality, niche product. It's designed to solve your cooking challenges, offering reliable recipes that you can trust and enjoy repeatedly. Ready to revolutionize your cooking experience? Visit our Etsy store and grab your copy of Effortless Instant Pot Creations today. Click the link in our bio and start your journey to easy, delicious meals now.